What's up, lover bullies, and welcome back. If you subscribed already, I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, I still appreciate you for even taking the time to come to my page. Another day in the life. If you got dogs, then I'm pretty sure you know what that day consists of. But this just me vlogging my usual 1-2 with my dogs. Finally got my grass cut. Ooh. No, they ain't taller than my fucking dogs. You going a little bit too far there, buddy. Fat boy. That grass got birds in it. Oh. Fat boy, get away from that. You ready to go in the house? Come on. Come on, fat boy. This is so well. I don't have no problems out of here. You want some water? Royce like ice. I come out the house to take my truck to the mechanic, and I seen something that made me so proud. Look at my son teaching my baby son how to cut hair. I said cut hair, cut grass. That's the type of shit I like to see. See, I was the daddy that taught my son how to cut grass, and now he being the great big brother to teach his little brother how to do man shit. I love it. That let me know I'm doing a good job. I was the one that had to teach my son how to do man shit, and now he doing what he's supposed to do as a big brother and teaching his little brother how to do man shit. That's why you don't cut grass with slides on, homies. It's about 80-something degrees out here today. Ooh, let me go, because my truck about to cut off. I got to take it down the street to the mechanic. I like they want to cut off. They don't want to go. And listen how loud it is. Look at that. Look at my boys. Cut the grass and stop staring at me. About to go down here to the mechanic and get this truck fixed on. I bought this thing when my Nissan got wrecked. And it's been a headache ever since. But here go my mechanic, and he do a hell of a good job. And he only like, what's that, 6 houses down the street from me? Alright, let me let y'all go. Whatever that certification is, ODE or OS, wherever the fuck it is, mechanics need to be certified. That's what he is. He just do his little side hustle at the house, because he said the mechanic shops be taxing, but shit, I don't blame him. Shit, I'm a nurse. If I could do nurse shit at home, I would. For real. Here go my boys. Let me go get this man his $20 so he can fix my shit, so I can go to work. I ain't been to work in 10 days. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. It's nice out here. Look at that sun on my skin, y'all. What's up?
Why are you recording us?
Cause you look good. It's a nice ass day out here. I wish I ain't have to work a day in my life. sit up and spend every day with my kids and my dogs. But I started recording because I want to show y'all something. Royce is only 6 months, right? He been like this since we got him. Let me show y'all. I'm about to go through my front door. Let me show y'all how he is. Excuse my porch, it's been like this since the last time they fucked it up. I just ain't been to fix it, but wait. I left him in the dining room with my daughter. She in my room. Watch this, listen. So, you see me with this shirt, you already know what it means. The last time my dogs was out here was warm that day, and then it was cold until now. So, I'm finally getting a chance to come out here and clean this porch that they fucked up. My TikTok video got a lot of controversy. It got like 24,000 views with people saying I'm beating on my dogs and shit. All because I had the belt yelling at them. But that's under the contrary. As you can see, my real followers that been rocking with me since day one, they see me with my dogs laying in the bed. Y'all see me, you know what I'm saying, interacting with my dogs, not as aggressive as TikTok say I am, but this me cleaning my porch because it's hot, and I love sitting on my porch when it's hot, so I gotta get this shit up. Alright, I'll get back with y'all in a few. But I'm cleaning this porch. I love being on the porch when it's hot outside because I love being outside. I got kids now, so this is as close to the streets I'm gonna get. Yeah, so let me finish. I just wanted to add that little piece in. So I'm almost finished, y'all. And I'm thinking like, you know what? It feels good to be back sweating, and I'm okay with the size I am now, but I just need to lose a little bit of this belly. So I think I'm gonna let y'all watch me start back boxing. I got a whole little boxing thing in my garage, a punching bag that we be working on. Then Johnny got the gloves. I'd rather hit him than the punching bag, for real, for real. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start back working out. No, that's a little. Ice, stay still. Chicky, all you gotta do is like be back that way. You don't have to be that up close. Come here, Ice. Move. Lay there. Good boy. This ain't got nothing to do with you. Mind your business. Ice. Okay, lover bullies. So that's it for today's video. As always, I want to thank you for tuning in to our channel. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, like, subscribe, and tap on that bell so you can stay on top of this fire lovable content. Be blessed.